it's your girl Slay Paris here, and today we are doing a little bit of an unboxing for something that I've been waiting in the mail for forever because it was a pre-order. So excited about this. Like, we are about to turn the hell up on my makeup game, like by a million. So basically a few months ago, I discovered this a few months ago. I don't know how long it's been out or anything like that, but a few months ago, my friend Shiv, what's up Shiv, if you ever see this video, she posted on her Instagram story this bad boy, this P.Louise. Oh my gosh, my camera just focused so quick. Babe, come look at this. Sorry y'all, I got a new camera and this is quite exciting. I don't gotta do this or nothing. Baby, come look at this. Look how quick this goes. So I'm talking da 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 da. I bought this. Look at that. Are you dumb? Are you dumb? This camera's lit. This camera's lit. Anyway, I saw this P.Louise base on her Instagram story, and she was talking about how it's like the world's greatest eyeshadow primer slash base, and I was like, I need a new eyeshadow primer slash base slash something to put before my eyeshadow because I was falling out of love with the Urban Decay primer potion. I was falling out of love with the Marc Jacobs coconut eyeshadow primer. Like, nothing was working for me. Nothing at all was working for me. So I was like, it's worth a shot. It's not a lot of money. I don't even remember how much this was, but it was like $10 to $20, not a lot of money. I was like, why not? Let me just try it out. Let me see what it's about. And you guys, ever since I bought this bad boy, my eyeshadow game has been on point. Without this, I would still be looking inky dinky. Like, I'm not even joking. Like, a lot of you guys have been messaging me and telling me how you're seeing like evolving of my makeup, like I'm evolving in doing my makeup and stuff like that. It's all because of this. I promise you, ever since I discovered this, my makeup game has been on 100 for sure. So I have only this to thank. There are so many different colors and shades that you could choose from, so I wasn't sure which color I should get. I got Rumor number 2, which is like a very light color, which I think is not even my color, but at the end of the day, it works. Like, I'm wearing it under my eyeshadow right now and you don't see any type of paleness or anything like that, so it doesn't really matter that it's too white because it works regardless. At the end of the day, I fill in patches with my foundation and I'm good to go. So I just want to swatch this for you guys so you guys can see the consistency of it. It comes out this like white color like that, and it just goes on like that. It's like a real pale color, but like I said, they have darker colors, they have lighter colors, they have colors in between. I just chose this color because I did not know what color to get, but it works for me, so I feel like the color doesn't even matter as long as you know how to fill in the blanks, you know what I mean? But anyways, we're not even here to talk about this bad boy, which by the way, out of 10, I give it a 10. I think you all should try it out. Not sponsored by P.Louise, but hey, P.Louise, if you're watching this, yo girl could use a sponsorship, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm bigging you guys up, like for real. I really like your company or whatever, so hit me up. Like, it really changes your eyeshadow from blah to okay. I have to swatch something. I gotta swatch something to let you guys know what it really is. And y'all know I keep it for reals with y'all, so this ain't no fake swatch. You feel me? No shade, no tea. I'm gonna use my Juvia's Place palette. We're gonna swatch this pink custard. I'm gonna swatch it by itself, which by itself, it's super pigmented already because it's Juvia's Place and Juvia's Place is popping. And then I'm gonna swatch it on top of P.Louise. Bam! This is without the P.Louise base. This is with the P.Louise base. And I feel like the camera's not even showing you or giving you the justice that it deserves, okay? It's bomb, I promise. So since I've been hooked on the P.Louise base, I had to go back to the website, see what's poppin', what's new, what I could cop or whatever. Bam! Got this in the mail the other day. Okay, I basically got all of the holiday things that I saw on the website that I really wanted to try. Like, you know what, let's just do an unboxing real quick. Let me just show you what I got and then we'll get into it, okay? So bam, first of all, packaging P.Louise on point. Okay, I like this. This is real cute. It's real cute. The first thing I got was the Bata Black base, which looks like this. And I actually already tried it out. I just put it back in the packaging because I wanted to, you know, show y'all or whatever. But it's exactly like the base that I showed you here, but it's black. So when you want to do smoky eyes, when you want to do a dark sultry type of look, this is going to be your base. It's going to make all your blacks darker, more pigmented. It's going to be bomb. I don't know why I didn't use it today. I should have used it today. My makeup would have looked a lot better if I did, but I wanted to open it before using it with you guys. And with the black base, bam, that's what the black base looks like. Packaging again on point. On point. They also give you a little application brush to put on the base, which I appreciate. Like, who don't like free? I like free, you know what I'm saying? Let's get back to packaging real quick before I go on to the next product. Bam, packaging. Bam, packaging. You feel me? Cute. Y'all got it together for real. Put a little free sticker in there for me too. I appreciate it. I do. And then we got, bam, this bad boy right here. It is a range of how many colors? Let's see. Wait, packaging one more time. Packaging again. Bam. 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 Thank you, ma'am. Okay, we got 4 pastel type colors that you can use for your eyeliner, for a base for your eyeshadow. You can use it for practically anything, honestly. And the thing I like about P.Louise base is that it does not crack. It does not crack your makeup. It does not crack your eyeshadow. Your eyeshadow is in place for the rest of the day, forever. Like, it's there. It's stuck. It's there. It's not going nowhere. Where you going, sis? Sis, where you going? You ain't going nowhere because you the P.Louise base. You better sit your ass down. What you talking about? It ain't going nowhere. So this one right here comes with pastel blue, pastel pink, a minty green, and a lilac type purple. I'm here for it. And it says the P.Louise basic color range has been designed to inject flashes of color into your eye makeup using the easiest method possible. Say bye-bye to packing on the shadow and praying the ombre wing liner doesn't crack. Simply apply your basic colored base straight from the tube onto your lid. Pat-a-pat-pat-pat to perfect and set in place. With makeup like this, babe, you are far from basic. Okay. Designed for risk takers, rule breakers, and secret sinners. Okay. Shh. But I've been waiting for this in the mail forever because it was a pre-order for their limited edition winter set. So I was like, I need to get this. I really want this. They said it's gonna deliver before Christmas, and they didn't lie. It came before Christmas. So here's the baby blue base, the baby pink base, the mint green base, and the lilac purple base. I feel like with this new colored bases that they got out, I feel like I want to be a risk taker. I feel like I want to do makeup looks I was afraid to do in the past. That's kind of like my New Year's resolution. I want to do things that I've always been afraid to do. So I want to do makeup looks I've always been afraid to do, colorful, bright, out there, like pay attention makeup looks. I want to do different hairstyles that cause commotion. I want to do things that I'm afraid of because, you know, I have social anxiety. I don't like people looking at me. I don't like people, you know what I mean? But I want to do things to get out of my comfort zone. So I had to buy this because it's a part of my New Year's resolution, and I freaking love it already. I never even tried it. I never even swatched it, but I love it. We're going to swatch it later though. We will swatch it later. But let's go on to the other packaging that we got, which is, again, packaging on point, the Basic Brights. Y'all ready for this? Y'all ready for this? I don't think y'all ready for this because bam! Look at that. Girl, listen. Again, we have 5 bright, vibrant colors from P.Louise. And on top of the 5 colors, you can mix 4 colors to make 4 new colors. So it's not really 5 colors. It's 9 colors. It's really 9 colors because guess what? Blue and yellow make green, okay? Yellow and pink make peach, all right? Blue and red make purple. Pink and blue make lilac. So again, great for liners, great for bright colors that I plan to do in the new year. So I'm super excited for that. We have an orange, we have a blue, we have a yellow. It's like a yellow orange. It's like a yellow orange looking tangerine type color. And obviously we gotta have the pink. I'm gonna swatch the black, I'm gonna swatch the lilac and the mint green, as well as the red and the pink. Let's get it. So this is what they look like when I first apply them. Bam, bam, super pigmented. Bam, wow. Bam, bam, bam. Ah, I'm excited. Look at this as a base. And this is just a swatch. This is not me packing it on. This is not me, you know, doing it properly, and it's already still so stinking pigmented. I cannot deal with you, P.Louise. P.Louise, sis, you did something here. You evolutional, bitch. You did something. Like you did that. That's what you did was that. Like, please help me gather my life. Like, do I need to ship all my wigs to you? Do I? I cannot. Wow. You guys should see this in person. Wow. Oh my, I feel like wiping my whole face off and doing a colorful makeup look right now, honestly. Let me know in the comment section down below if you want to see me do a makeup tutorial with these bases, because I'm so down for it. Especially with this new camera. Bitch, I'm feeling myself. Like, let's do it. Why not? I'm down for it. Is you down for it? Because I am. I sure am down for it. Let's do it. But yeah, I just wanted to unbox that with you guys, swatch it with you guys, let you guys know how much I love the P.Louise original base. So the fact that they come in colors now, like, I am flabbergasted. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. I'm so here for it. If you have any questions or suggestions of what you want to see more of here on my beauty channel, leave a comment down below or DM me on Instagram. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and all that jazz. All of it's gonna be in the description box down below for your convenience. Make sure you follow my beauty Instagram page too, which is The Slay Paris. I am mumbling my words. The Slay Paris on Instagram is my beauty Instagram page, and then Hey Paris by itself is my main Instagram page. So check that out. Let me know what you think. You know what I'm saying? Leave a comment down below and let me know if you've tried P.Louise base before. I believe it's the best eyeshadow base slash primer of all time ever. It's actually just a base, but it primes my eyes too. That's how I feel, okay? That's just how I'm feeling, okay? Leave a comment down below and let me know if you've tried it before. Let me know if you plan on trying it. Let me know what primer you use now. But I'm telling you right now, I believe that this is the world's best primer slash base, eyeshadow base of all time ever. I've never had a base this amazing in my life. Y'all know I tell the truth. And this is not sponsored. So you know it's the truth. Because I'm not getting paid to say this. I'm saying it to help y'all. I want y'all to get your eyeshadow popping and on. Okay? Alright. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I love you guys so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Toodles. Oh, snap. Wait. I forgot to show y'all something. Along with me buying all this, they gave me a little gift. Again, packaging with a little bow and stuff. Super cute. I open it up now. Bam, 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 bam. It's a free glitter. They gave me a free glitter. I ain't order this for free. Free 99. And I'm just gonna swatch this for the hell of it. Just because y'all can't even see that the way I see that. It's sparkling. Anyways, that's all I had to say. Bye.